In this video I've just put together a clip or clips of a night visit, our latest night visit myself and Graham did to the NWH, North Wales Hospital. And on further investigation and looking at the footage, these are all the sounds, noises and scream we captured that I can hear throughout all the clips. So the noises I will probably slow down, enhance the sound, and see what you think.
Was that you coughing just then? If it was, do it again. If it was, do it again. Anyone there? Over there, if you want to walk towards me.
Maybe we're too near him. What the hell is that?
Yeah, that was way in the distance, wasn't it? Over there, if you want to walk towards me.
Maybe we're too near him. What the hell is that?
Yeah, that was way in the distance, wasn't it? Over there, if you want to walk towards me.
Maybe we're too near him. What the hell is that?
Yeah, that was way in the distance, wasn't it? Okay, if there's anyone in this ward tonight, you that then? Over here? Like that?
God, I hope they're picking
Right by here, shine your torch by that wall, right by there, as if there's someone standing there. Hang on.
Right.
And they went. If there's anyone in this ward tonight, you that then?